Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see what is SQL, what are the questions which are asked in SQL. One thing I would like to tell you that the SQL is the most asked question in any IT interview. If you go for any IT interview, then there is a 99% chance then that they will ask question on SQL. So let's see what are the typical questions which they ask. So first thing you have to be clear what is entity attribute, and you have to know what are the relations. I mean the relation like one to many to many, one to one. You have to be clear on them. Second, they used to ask about the ER diagram. So you should know how to draw a ER diagram. They will give a pen paper. You have to draw a ER diagram, simple ER diagram, nothing else. The next, they will not ask about the tables, how to create table, insert value, but instead they will give a random table and they will give some of the question and you have to solve this. For example, I have taken this random table which contain many redundant values. As you can see, the values are repeated here. So the first question they asked was that they wanted to find the distinct name. So we can use a distinct keyword, but what I use is the group by name. Group by. This group by function, what it does, that it group according to the name. Since I have used group by names, so this function will group all the value as per the name. Since I have used a star function here. Second was the question that you have to find the student, top two students who had scored maximum marks. So from this table we have to find the top two students. The first what I have did that select name from student order by marks, DESC, which stand for descending, and limit I have taken as a 2. Why 2? Because I have to find first 2 marks. But what was the problem in the problem in this statement is that since this table has a redundant value, then top 2 value are the same. David, which is this one, where it is David again it is repeated. So what we can do is that we can use a distinct function here, and this distinct will select only the distinct name. So select distinct name from the SQL from the student order by marks, DESC, limit 2. Everything is same, just we have selected the distinct names. So you can see we have got 2 names. And next we have used the operator. There are many operators in SQL like OR operator, IN operator, AND operator. So the question was you have to find the name of the student which are in the class A and B. So which are in class A or B. So for that we have used this operator, OR operator, and same it was all the same, but just we have used the OR operator here. So our next question was you have to find total number of elements. So first he didn't clear that we have to find a distinct element or we have to count total elements. So first what I did is that I use a count star function. So by doing that I get total number of rows in this, which is 32. So what count star does is that it count all the values, whether it is redundant or not, it count all the value. And then the interviewer asked me to count only the distinct value. He wants the distinct names. So for that what I did, I used a distinct function inside the count and I got the value as 9, which is this. These are the distinct name. Okay, so these were some of the simple questions which are generally asked, and group by, order by, not function, operators are some of the function. And since I have used a count, there are function like add function, sum function, average function, so min function, max function. You have to be familiar with them. That's all for this video. For the next video I will talk about subquery and joins. They are also very important, so stay tuned. Thank you.